Here we go, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. This is challenging all my brain smarts. Watching a live race and one in history during the DVR review. Who has more fun than us? Absolutely nobody. Quad Addiction FPV ripping it right now. .45 seconds remaining here on the master race clock. Blue Visto is in charge, and now he's got what tells us we see an OSD on-screen display and that black behind it, that gray screen. Camera issue for him. Quad Addiction had some issues. Engstrom was your leader, and he's going to crash out on his lid, try and get back up in the air, pretty side up. And Diesel working on lap number 2. We got 10 seconds until we're waving a checkered flag at our start-finish gate. This is heat number 5 in the air. Qualifying round number 3. It's everyone's best round of the 5 that we give them to seed our top 16 and next 16. Back through we go. I haven't had Papa John's Pizza in so long. Our thanks to them for supporting the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship. So good. And across the line we go with Diesel, 2 laps in 2:42. That's a PB, personal best, moving him inside of the top 32 in the number 28 position.